Good morning, guys. I am sitting by this warm fire. It is about 45 degrees here in Oklahoma today. So I decided, why not go outside and do a campfire breakfast? This is one of my favorite ways to cook, and the kids are doing virtual school today and then they're on fall break, so I thought, why not? Why not use this beautiful morning to cook a campfire breakfast with biscuits, gravy, eggs, and of course coffee. I got helpers here that probably are going to get in trouble before this video is over because they love this too. So I am using canned biscuits for this. I didn't do the whole homemade thing, so I'm using canned biscuits. I'm going to cook them in my Dutch oven. And then I'm going to do some gravy. It's a pepper style gravy. It's a mix I'm using. Of course, you guys can do your own homemade. This will work the same. But for me today, just to make this easier, I'm using prepackaged. And then I am using our very own farm fresh eggs. So that is the one ingredient today that is going to be all natural. So I've got everything ready to go. I'm waiting for this fire. I'm waiting for this to kind of die down a little bit so I can get some of the coals out to show you guys how to cook in your cast iron to do your own campfire breakfast. Okay guys, the coals are about ready, so I'm going to go ahead and pop my biscuits into this Dutch oven cast iron. Just like that. So next I'm going to grab me some of them coals and I'm going to stick them right here. I have these two bricks here to set my cast iron Dutch oven on. You can do this with like charcoal, and that's probably the most popular way. But today, guys, I don't have charcoal, so I'm just going to use my coal from my fire. So it may look like the fire's out, but guys, there is a lot of heat coming off of that. So this is going to slow burn, and we don't want it to be like full roaring, just, you know, like my real fire is over there. We don't want that, because if we did that here, we would burn our biscuits up. So now I'm going to set my Dutch oven right there on top, just like that. Next, I'm going to put my lid on, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see through all the smoke that I have created, but I'm going to grab some of these coals under here, these, and I'm going to stick them right on top of my cast iron. Just like that. I want to make sure that they're kind of even around it so that it'll evenly heat at the top of it. Just like that, guys. Okay guys, I went ahead and lowered my grate because the fire's kind of dying down. Don't really want to add more wood to it because I don't want it to go all day. So I am almost done with this gravy, and then I'm going to stick my eggs on. Woo! There goes the coffee. It's almost done. I better move it. Is done. I moved it off the fire. I'm gonna let it sit here while I cook my eggs. Oh, this really got thick. Then I'm gonna check on the biscuits. Okay, so the biscuits aren't quite done. So now that all of this is done, I'm going to be able to set this, which I added some more hot coals on the top to finish it off. And I'm going to set it over this, just like that, and let them finish baking. Playing with the pigs. I wonder if he smelled breakfast. So I did a little flipsy on the biscuits to try to brown them up a little bit. They're done, but I just wanted them to have that brown look. So looks like breakfast is served. My sister. So here is our campfire breakfast, you guys. We are ready to dig in. The animals are hungry. You're probably hearing them in the background, I'm not sure. But anyway, Patrick's feeding the pigs. We're feeding ourselves. I hope you guys have an amazing day.